So I'm late to the party because I literally just got my hands on a DJI Osmo Pocket 3, aka the internet's favorite camera for YouTube. I really wanted one of these based on all the videos I've watched, all the research I've done on it, and I had an idea to just vlog more. I do a lot of style content, photography, and I work for the Milford Arts Council as the marketing director. So I figured a small pocket camera like this would come in handy for everything that I do. I got the creator combo, so I got the filter for the wide lens. I picked up an indie filter later, and it just comes with really cool accessories, even including a tripod and then a battery that can be attached to give it longer battery life. And the fact that I can also put it on a tripod is really cool too. And there are a lot of videos on YouTube just reviewing the camera, and I didn't want to necessarily do the same thing. I wanted to more talk about just the uses that I'm getting out of it and how I think it really is an amazing camera for on-the-go vlogging, even photography. You can get something out of it. It's not the greatest shooter or anything, but in a pinch, you know, the camera you have with you is excellent. So this is straight out of the box settings. I had it set to D-Log before. I was just curious how the normal looked. It's pretty sharp considering. I'll definitely just see about shooting with straight auto and seeing what comes up out of it. All right, let's see product showcase. It works, that's pretty cool. So if I hold up a product close to the camera, it's gonna focus on that. And if I come back, it's gonna focus on me. Very cool. Experimenting with single focus, which they said was really good for like talking head videos. Just using the normal color. I think this is gonna be my second preset. It's pretty much like I'm having the white balance as auto. I kind of changed the EV to -0.3, reduce the sharpness by 2, and that's about it. This might be the mode that I pick if I really don't have time to edit D-Log footage. But yeah, this is really cool. So to close out, I've really been enjoying my Osmo Pocket 3, shooting a ton of B-roll, travel content, vlogging, and I think it's an excellent camera. Well, not perfect, but it is excellent for vlogging, and I look forward to just experimenting, having fun with it, and using it for my business. It really is just become a mainstay in my everyday carry, going everywhere from New York to Atlanta and back. I'm really having a lot of fun with this camera. I just look forward to see what I can create with it next.